असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to learn about mode. So what is a mode? Yes, the most frequent observation is called mode, or the most repeated observation is called mode. Okay, right, nothing but highest frequency. Okay, right. So mode, the most repeated observation is called mode. The most repeated observation is called mode. Look at one example here. I will give you the clarity with an example. So data given 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 10, 10, 12, 13. Suppose this is the given data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 observations are given here. So out of these 20 observations, what is the most repeated observation here? That is nothing but 10. So 10 is 4 times is there. Okay. So is there another observation in 4 times? No. So the 10 is the most repeated observation here. So that then what we can say here? The mode of this data is 10. Isn't it? Right. Next, suppose the marks of class 10th, the marks of class 10 students in English given below. Okay, right. So out of 20 marks I am giving here 10, 15, 14, 13, 12, 13, 12, 13, 12, 5, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and again 13, again 13. Okay, here 15 students marks given for out of 20 marks here. So what is the, let us write this is in the ascending order first. So we have to write first ascending order. So 5, 9, 10, how many tens? 1, 2, next 11. How many 11s? Only 1. Yes. 12s. How many 12s we have? 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 13s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13s 5 there. And next any 16s? There is no 16. 14, 1 14 here, and 15, 1 15. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total given 15 students marks here. So in these marks, the 13 marks is repeated. It means the 5 students of this class got 13 marks. Okay, this is the mode marks of this class. Okay, so what is the mode here? 13. Okay, so a given data can have a more than one mode. Okay, if the mode is only one, so it is having only one mode, this is called unimodal data. unimodal data. Okay, right. Suppose if a data can have, so I am writing here 12 comma 12. So what is the mode now? I done here. So 2 more 12s is there. If I write 12 comma 12 again in this data, so 2 modes are we have seen here. Okay, this is also mode and this is also mode. What is that? 13 as well as 12 is also mode of this data. Nothing but how many modes we have here? We have 2 modes. So what is the meaning of this? So if a data have more than a one mode, it's nothing but 2 modes. Okay, if it is having 2 modes, we call it as bimodal data. Bimodal data. Okay, if it is have only one mode, that is called unimodal data. If it is have 2 modes, it is called bimodal data. If it is having more than 2, what we can call? We can call it as multimodal data. Okay, whether it is 3 or 4 or 5, whatever may be, it is called multimodal data. Okay, so now what we can conclude? A data can have one mode or 2 modes or multi modes also. Okay, right, remember this thing, right.